Hello viewers, welcome to Learning X. In this week, we have come with the third videos in our business reporting and chart series. In this series, we are focusing on charts which will be useful for business presentation and reporting. In this video, we'll show you how to create this attractive area chart in Excel. So let's start. Here are the data we'll work with. Here we have year, brand name, and few categories and with their score. To make the chart, we'll select this and we'll insert a pivot table. There we'll give year and brand name in columns and all other respective categories in values. Then we'll remove these values and we'll place it in rows. Then it will look like this. Again, we'll go to insert and we'll go to slicer. We'll bring this year slicer. We'll select a year and the data will be shown according to that year. Then we'll select the pivot table. We'll go to insert and we'll select this 2D area chart. We'll remove all the fields button from the chart and the grid lines. Then we'll change the label's name. When you remove it, try to keep one space, otherwise it will not take, as the name will be duplicate. After that, we'll bold it and we'll give it black color. We'll do the same thing here. Then we'll select the series. We'll go to format. We'll give a shadow effect, outer shadow effect. We'll do the same thing for the rest of the series. We'll fill it with this color, and the second one will fill it with this yellow color, third one with this green color. Now for the second one, we'll give a transparency level to 35, and for the third one, we'll give a transparency level to 50. Then it will look like this. Now we'll go to 2019 and we'll do exactly the same thing that we have done for 2020. We'll change the color, we'll give shadow effect, we'll change the transparency level, and we'll do the same thing for 2018. Then the chart will look like this. Now you can use it for your presentation, for any business report, annual report. This is all about this video. If you have enjoyed the video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and check out our other series for more attractive chart and dashboard videos.